Eagle Reach Remote Support Solutions. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Eagle continues to provide the best-in-class service solutions to help ensure the quality, accuracy, and safety of your products. Our Eagle Reach Remote Support Solutions have adapted to today's current operating environment by providing complete support, including on-site support for critical mechanical issues, remote diagnostics for software issues, virtual training programs. At Eagle, safety is first and foremost. When critical issues or mechanical faults arise, we have expert technicians to handle both on-site and remote service. While other companies have chosen not to offer an on-site option, the Eagle team is well prepared with proper PPE and new, strict protocols for social distancing, always with your safety in mind. And with Eagle's 24/7, 365 remote service, you know you will be covered. At Eagle, we understand ensuring uptime of your machine is a key factor to meeting compliance standards and ensuring quality products are provided to your customers. We have established a process for our engineers to diagnose and repair your machine remotely, especially for instances related to software or application concerns. Using TeamViewer solutions, an Eagle technician can gain real-time remote access to your machine settings and screen. TeamViewer's remote capability also saves you time and reduces your line's downtime. Eagle provides complete virtual training programs remotely that offer a robust number of benefits: compliance radiation safety training, basic operation and maintenance training, instruction for how to change parts using advanced camera systems from our test center in US, UK, and Germany. View remote sessions from the comfort of your home or office. At Eagle, you can be assured we will continue to offer on-site and remote service support to keep your line up and running 24/7. Leverage Eagle Reach Support Solutions to soar past your competition. EaglePI.com/support